Welcome to another Simple Dad Snapchat tutorial. In this video, I'll show you how to use the Cartoon Kid filter on Snapchat. If you're new here, then please subscribe to see more videos like this and don't forget to like this video. So for December, Snapchat has introduced a new lens, which is called the Cartoon Kid filter. So let me show you how to get this filter and how to use it. So first, you want to go ahead and open up your Snapchat app. Next, you want to tap on Explore here at the bottom. Then you want to tap on Search at the top and search for Cartoon Kid. In the search result, you're looking for this lens here, Cartoon Kid by Snapchat. So go ahead and tap on it. Now once you do that, you'll turn yourself into a cartoon kid. Now go ahead and create your very own Snapchat story using this Cartoon Kid filter. And that is how to use the Cartoon Kid filter on Snapchat. If this video is helpful, then please subscribe to see more videos like this. If you have any other questions, then please do let me know in the comment section down below. Thanks for watching and see you in the next one.